Alright, we're sitting here. I'm Josiah. This is John. He's actually a new person. And Turner will be here. Oh, Turner's right there. What? Turner's right there. This is another TJ video. And we're going to actually do... People don't actually know this. We're going to be doing the baking soda reaction of baking soda with vinegar. Vinegar right here. Baking soda right here.
Vinegar in his... Vinegar, baking soda.
Alright, and we're gonna put it inside here.
Test tube.
So we're gonna start right here with some baking soda. A little bit of baking soda. Just a little bit.
Try it.
Move this out of the way.
Okay, right after.
There actually is baking soda in there.
Yep, there we are.
And that is actual vinegar.
Get back, get back. Anything?
It's not boiling up enough to do anything.
Maybe.
It's like Coke.
It smells.
Oh my god, it smells like shit.
Yeah.
Cap it and jiggle it. Dude,
Okay.
cap it.
And then throw it.
No, cap it and then jiggle it and then open it up.
Oh, that smells like horrible.
Smells good. I can't smell it. That's the reason. Oh, jeez.
I just heard it.
Just.
Still not enough baking soda. Let's add more baking soda, you guys.
Dump it in, bitch.
Yeah, that's not the reason. There's not enough vinegar.
Oh, that's not. You want to try red wine vinegar?
John, go get the red wine vinegar. We're gonna
Close
be
it. Close it. Shake it.
Entertain them.
We're gonna be at a quick intermission while we go get some more vinegar. So here's a song for you guys. Smoke your weed, doing crack. $15, little man. Shit in my hand. $15, little man. Yeehaw! Okay. Now, don't smoke weed, kids. I'm a bad example. And here comes with the red wine vinegar.
He's just kidding.
Where did I put the test tube?
You put it right there.
Oh yeah.
You're such an idiot.
I'm a fucking idiot. I'm gonna try some red wine. How the hell? Oscar, get your ass.
I think that your shadow's in the room.
Here we go. Not pouring fast enough. We're getting a little bit of a reaction.
Now close it and shake it up.
No, dude. It's not enough. It's not coming out fast enough. It's starting to bubble up.
Close it, dude.
No, we're gonna have Oscar drink it.
Yeah. Dude, put more baking soda in there.
I'll do that. It's
John.
baking soda.
Vinaigrette.
Right there. That's it.
Close the lid. Close the lid.
No, it's fine.
Now close it.
And there you have it.
It works, but you need a shitload of vinegar to douche to get any results. Okay, now cap it and shake it up.
Baby tonight.
Shake it up.
Oh shit.
That's awesome.
I don't think I closed it.
Now open it up and let Oscar drink some. Oscar, by the way, is our pug. His pug.
Oscar, come on. Pug test tube. Come on, test tube. Come on, Oscar. Come on, Oscar. Come on.
Where's the left?
It's too wet.
Come on,
Come on, bud.
Oh shit, there's all. I have to
What actually?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to open it.
Okay, stop now if you don't want to watch lots of cruddy. Just playing around with this
Can
stuff.
you open it? Open it.
Ew, no, why don't you?
cut the video.